In this video, we're going over 5 ways that coffee makes intermittent fasting easier so you can level up your fasting game. Stay tuned. What's up, Next Level Nation? Johnny F here with Next Level Warrior, sharing insight and tips helping you become your next level self. In this channel, we go over topics from health and personal development to help you build momentum on your goals to realize your maximum human potential. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to join the Next Level community and ring that bell notification to stay up to date with my videos posted every week. These days, we are hearing more about intermittent fasting than ever before. And there's a reason why. It works. It makes staying in a calorie deficit significantly easier and triggers a set of processes in your body that helps with preserving your muscle mass, increasing your focus, energy levels, and a growing list of other benefits that continue to be studied. Combining coffee with intermittent fasting adds in a number of other effects that make fasting much easier. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Coffee helps with appetite suppression. With most of us, coffee has this great effect at suppressing our appetite. This will help to keep hunger at bay during your fasting window, allowing you to stay consistent. Interestingly though, it isn't actually the caffeine that does this, but some of its other components that have been found to increase satiety. The state of feeling satiated or full. One thing to keep in mind though, is to make sure that your coffee is black, or at least under 30 calories, as this will aid in suppressing your appetite further. Otherwise, if you do trigger an insulin response from what you added to your coffee, then as soon as that insulin drops, which will be quick, you're gonna feel hunger soon after. Interesting fact, decaffeinated coffee, there is actually evidence that decaffeinated coffee suppresses appetite better. Though if that was your first choice, you probably wouldn't have made it this far in the video. But the option is always there if you do want to experiment, take breaks away, or cycle your use of caffeine. Oh, and if you're getting good value out of this video, make sure to hit that like button. Yeah. Number 2, coffee helps to boost your mood. Within moments of taking your first sip, you start feeling pretty good. Whether you're getting your caffeine from coffee or tea, as soon as it makes its way into the brain, it temporarily boosts levels of serotonin and dopamine levels in the brain. Either of these neurotransmitters will help to boost your mood. This will aid in keeping hunger at bay, allowing you to feel great during your fasting window. When you are so hungry that the lack of food causes you to become angry, frustrated, or both. You ever felt this before? If so, type in "hanger sucks" in the comments below. Number 3. Coffee helps you expend more energy. With our energy levels and mood increased, we are usually more apt to engage in activities that expend energy. This makes intermittent fasting easier because when you're active, you're not focused on hunger, which could cause you to break your fast early. Also, by drinking coffee on an empty stomach, it's much more effective for this. You're not digesting any other foods, so coffee's effect is much stronger. If this is difficult for you, as it used to be for me, this video should help you out with that. Make sure to check it out. Number 4. Coffee helps you focus on your work and increase your productivity. Coffee's effect on blocking your adenosine or drowsiness receptors is how we get this indirect energy rush. Caffeine also helps to release catecholamines into the bloodstream, such as adrenaline, noradrenaline, which is something that intermittent fasting already does. This combination allows you to be more focused on work or a project, holding your attention while you're fasting instead of thinking about food. Number 5. Coffee helps to mobilize fat. Through a slew of chemical processes that happen in the body, caffeine indirectly helps to mobilize fat out of your stores and into the bloodstream to burn. But it does something else that's super interesting at the same time. It preserves your body's glycogen stores. Glycogen is our body's primary go-to energy source from glucose that's stored in our liver and muscles via insulin. Typically, your body wants to use up its glycogen stores before it even considers tapping into fat. This is why the concept of eating multiple small meals a day for weight loss is so ridiculous, because every time you eat, you're triggering insulin, which is making your body say, hey, let's store energy, instead of releasing it. So how does this make intermittent fasting easier? Well, with caffeine aiding in mobilizing your fat and preserving your muscle glycogen, this is gonna help you burn fat way faster, seeing results much quicker, which is all gonna boost up your confidence and belief in what you're doing, helping you maintain your fasting schedule. This, of course, could lead you to experimenting with fasted workouts, which provides a whole other world of benefits. It's something that I've got tons of experience with, and I find it super easy now that my body's really adapted to it. If you guys want to know more about fasted training, you want me to do some videos on it, type in next level training into the comments down below, and I'll be sure to get on it. Time for question of the day. How long have you been doing intermittent fasting for? Let me know in the comments down below, and if this video provided you with good information, then hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to join the Next Level community and catch my videos posted every week. Until then, never stop growing.